vlog. So today I got my new camera. It's a Samsung camera, and I think I like it. So I'm just trying it out. And on this, this is surrounded by my bed because me and my nephew were making a fort, but that fell. So I was just like, well, let's just put it around my bed. So, and he really likes it, and the happy birthday is from his first birthday. I'm awesome like that. I know I'm just walking around, but here's my cool okay. My cousin made it with just regular lights and cups. Let's do it, and then he just made that. So yeah, now it's mine. And I like it. Okay, so my sister wanted me to show her her monkey, whatever thingy that she got for Christmas. What's his name? His name is Jackson because she loves Michael Jackson. So yeah, you guys have a wonderful day. What should the question of the day be? How about the question of the day be, what did you get for Christmas? And what was your best gift you ever received? And what is the worst gift you ever received? That wraps it up. So goodbye.